That's the title right there. How to make the best chocolate cake ever. Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making my very basic, but pretty much the very best chocolate cake you are ever going to need and taste. All the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button, so if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now to get started, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get started on this delicious chocolate cake. So our first step is to cream our butter and sugar together. So in a mixing bowl, we're gonna add in 1.5 sticks of softened butter and 1 3/4 cups of white sugar. Then with our hand mixer, we're gonna mix this on a medium-low speed until both the butter and the sugar are nice and light and fluffy. Now let's go ahead and scoot that over to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and get ready to start our dry ingredients. By first adding in 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we're just going to give these guys a quick little whisk. Now let's go ahead and scoot our dry ingredients to the other side, grab our butter mixture, and start adding in 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then let's beat these ingredients on a medium speed with our hand mixer for 1 minute. Next, we're going to put everything all together. So we have our butter mixture right in the middle. We're going to start and slowly adding in our dry ingredients and 1 1/3 cups of water, alternating with our dry ingredients and the water. And we want to make sure not to over mix our batter, but we are going to want our batter nice and creamy. And then we're just going to pour this into our cake pan, lined with some parchment paper so there's no sticky bottoms. And then we're just gonna pop this in the oven for 40 minutes or until our cake tester comes out clean, but you shouldn't really need more than 45 minutes. So our cake is cooled, it's down to room temperature, it smells just like chocolate yumminess. It's such a perfect, pretty much the best chocolate cake. And it's gonna be so moist, and we're gonna hold its shape. It's gonna be great for any of your chocolate cake needs. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and be sure to ring that bell, because this chocolate cake is going to be coming back up for a delicious fairy house cake that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So, ring that bell. And if you make and try this delicious, or not delicious, the best chocolate cake ever, give a tag on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook and say hello. Let me see what you're baking in your kitchen. Share them with me, share them with your friends. You know the deal by now. But until next week, bye.